Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Here I am with another lipstick review cum swatch video. Today I'm going to be reviewing and swatching the My Glam Ultimate Long Stay Matte Lipsticks. If you want to know all about these wonderful lipsticks, then keep on watching. Packaging on a product does play an important role. Coming down to the outer packaging of the lipstick, they come into a packaging like this. I really like this cute red packaging with hearts and kisses, and all the details will be mentioned on the box. All the lipsticks you are going to get into this kind of a packaging, wherein you get 1.3 grams of lipstick. You pay 699 rupees for each lipstick. These lipsticks are going to last you for 3 years and you get 12 shades to choose from. Moving ahead with the actual lipstick, this is how the My Glam lipsticks would come, the Ultimate Matte Lipsticks. Now you get 12 shades to choose from. Now you cannot differentiate which shade you're picking up because there is no color stamp or a color sticker being laid on these lipsticks. That is one thing which I'm not liking, because every time I pick up a lipstick I have to really see the name, read the name, and then use the lipstick. That is something definitely missing here in this packaging. Talking about the whole packaging, it is a nice aesthetically luxury feel packaging, but it is definitely a plastic packaging. When you hold a lipstick, then you feel it feels a little cheaper, but from far it looks very luxury, very expensive. You get all the details right behind the lipstick, the shade name, the amount of product, expiry, manufacturing, and everything, so you can throw the box. You really don't have to keep it. You open the lipstick. When you see the lipstick, this reminds you of your ColourPop Lippie Stick packaging or your Sugar Matte Attack packaging, and I must tell you, I really like these packaging because they are very easy to use and convenient. And you get 1.3 grams of product, which I doubt, because you get a lot of product here. You get this much of a lipstick in this one bullet, so it's a lot of lipstick if you have a lot of shades. And even if you have one shade, this lipstick is not going anywhere because the formula is such. So yes, 1.3 grams in number, it looks lesser, but I feel it appears a little more than 1.3 grams. So all the information mentioned on the lipstick, pretty luxe looking packaging, but it will still end up getting 7 out of 10. Everything comes down to the formula of the lipstick. This is the break or make deal. Will you be getting one for yourself or not? Formula on these lipsticks are complete matte formula, but saying that, the texture of the lipstick is smoother. It applies very easily and it doesn't dry quickly on the lips, so you get enough time to fill in your lips completely, and yes, it dries down to complete matte. The pigmentation from lighter shades to the deeper shade is equal, so even if you pick up a lighter shade and apply on your pigmented lips, it is going to cover everything on your lips. Transfer proof. Are they going to transfer? No, they are extremely matte lipstick, but saying that, they are not your drying matte lipstick. They are well nourished lipstick. They keep your lips smoother as well as hydrated during the day. These lipsticks, I would say, can be worn in summer as your proper matte lipstick and still not make your lips feel dry or transfer. And in winters also you can wear these lipsticks because they have a nice color payoff going on. How long lasting these lipsticks are? They can easily stay up to 6 to 7 hours without eating any heavy food, but even if you end up eating any food, you can go in with minute touch-ups just on top of your existing lipstick. You really don't have to go in and remove your lipstick and do your touch-ups. So I think in the whole day you may just need like one time touch-up, nothing more than that. All in all, in this pandemic, these lipsticks do come as more of your mask-proof lipstick because they do not transfer at all. I can give you one live test. See, they don't transfer at all. All in all, if you say, these are definitely one of the best lipsticks I have tried from My Glam. For rupees 699, you are definitely getting good lipstick, and you get 12 different shades to choose from the family, from nude, pink, I would say more of coral peaches, as well as red tones. So you don't have too many shades to confuse yourself, but to get at least 4 shades for yourself. Knowing everything about them, let's move on to the swatches with and without makeup. I will be here soon with some more lip swatches, some more lipstick reviews. Consider subscribing and following me on my Instagram. You take care, and I will see you in my next one.